myself for those of you who cannot read. My name is Ruben ... as you can see, and I'm the world's one and only, very serious, one and only Australian, half Chinese, half Polish Jew entertainer. Oh God, thank you so much for clapping. Oh, that you guys are so multicultural and accepting. It's wonderful. Toronto. Every time I'm here, you always clap. It's gorgeous. In my home, Melbourne, Australia, they laugh. It's kind of weird. In America, they tried to deport me. True story, out of Boston. Just curiosity, any Americans in my audience? Just...
Ow!
Oh.
Good. Also Canadian.
Oh, okay, great.
Dual citizen.
Awesome, great. Not going to get shot. Perfect. By the end of the show, handstand at the height of this red balloon, one-handed balance 15 feet in the air. But I would also like to do a special trick that I made up during the world's longest lockdown in my home of Melbourne, Australia. And I just want to know if you guys want to see it. So on 3, I want to hear a big loud yeah if you want to see a special trick. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Awesome. To do this trick, I will need the help of one individual from my audience. I'm going to look out in my audience and I'm going to say, "Excuse me, sir, drinking the Caesar. Hi. Yeah, what's your name, my friend? Have you been in another show already? You're just in the show. Okay, we can't do that to a person. Excuse me, sir, sitting in the really comfortable chair. Hello, what? Have you been in a show yet as well? What's your name, my friend? Jason? No, Jason, we will do a trick together today. Jason, today, the trick we are going to do is I will be using these whips to pop that balloon at that height with your help. Okay, it's gonna be fine, don't worry, I'm a professional dry cleaner, but, just very quickly, kids, I heard a couple of you squeal. Just remember, these are Australian 3.5-foot stock whips. They aren't scary. They work with science. Let me explain very quickly. What happens is when I use them, they make this sound. How they work with science is they make a loop. It runs down the length of the whip. It gets faster and faster and faster until this little piece here breaks the sound barrier, and that's all the sound is. So let me demonstrate so you're not scared. This is a forwards crack. See, not scary. This is a backwards crack. See, not scary. This is an overhead crack. Not scary. Vancouver's where you can buy crack. Very scary. This is my personal favorite, the invisible crack. Can't believe I did all that for that joke. Now, Jason, when you do this correctly, you can pop a balloon, you can break the sound barrier, you can even cut skin. Don't worry though, I'm a professional dry cleaner. So today, it's going to take incredible accuracy on my behalf, nerves of steel on your behalf. Above all else, just a tiny bit of trust between us. So, Jason, do you trust me? Right. Just for everyone's sake, Jason, just so this feels good, Jason, can you put your right hand in the air up just like me? Absolutely wonderful, that's perfect. Jason, now make a fist out of that hand, really strong fist, that's perfect, Jason. Now turn your hand just like this, Jason. Absolutely wonderful, yep. Now Jason, put your thumb up in the air just like that. Now everyone can see Jason's consent to doing this trick with me. Wonderful. Now Jason, hey. See that hole in your pocket? Put your thumb in that hole. Absolutely wonderful. Hold the rest of your hand like this, face the front, big smile. Now Jason, before we go up high, where we do the trick where it's really dangerous for me, to create some trust, what we're going to do is we're going to do the trick down low, where it's incredibly dangerous for you. Just hold it right there. Just look up. Okay, perfect. Now here we go. Jason, what's going to happen? Whips crack in front, whips crack behind, Very easy to stay safe, just don't get excited, okay? This is gonna be great. Guys standing over there, hi, how's it going? Do you want to do me a favour? If you come in over here and sit down here and be part of the audience, it gives me some more energy and it just makes me feel more successful than I really am. My parents get proud. So if you can do that for me, that would be great. Thank you very much. Jason, here we go. Whips either side, very easy to stay safe. I'll give you 3 rules, okay? It's easy. Rule number 1, don't move your feet. Pretty obvious, yeah? Rule number 2, don't move your hand. I don't want to clip a finger or anything else at that level. Do you have kids, mate? Yeah. Do you want more? Beautiful thing about Canada, if this is an accident, it's totally covered, yeah? Great health here. Rule number 3, during this entire trip, no matter how you feel, no matter how loud they go, whatever you do, don't look at me, look out there. Perfect. It just makes it weird. Yeah. It's just one man cracking whips at another man while a bunch of strangers watch. Okay, now guys, just one more time. Jason is putting future generations at risk for your entertainment. Give Jason a huge round of applause. Okay. Don't get excited. Here we go. Hold it there. Look out there. Jason, just cough. Everyone, give it up for Jason. Make the man feel good. Now, Jason, you didn't think it was going to work. You didn't trust me. Look, I trust you. You trust me. We've got this relationship. Wonderful. Jason, I'm going to go to the top of this really stupid thing. We're going to do this finale together. Come over here with me. Come stand back right about here. Thank you so much for your help. Look out there. In a second, this build's really high. When I ask you, and only when I ask Jason, what I want you to do is to walk over here. You'll hold this here. You'll lean this in front of me up like that, yeah? I will pop the balloon. Everyone goes crazy for you. Sound good? Perfect. After that, come back here, slip this inside the little slot here, yeah? Then take a bow. Thank you very much for your help. Sound good? Perfect. Now, Jason, I know I messed with you on the ground a little bit here. Just when I'm up there where it's dangerous for me, yeah, don't mess with me. Thank you. I know that does sound stupid, but I do actually have to mention it because in 2005 in Northern Australia, in a little place called Darwin, somebody actually messed with me in the middle of the show, and I fell and I got quite hurt. Wow. Not much empathy in this town. Look, if I fall from there to here today, I will break very easily. Thank you, Toronto. Break very easily. Half of me is made in China, so I have to be quite careful about this. I'm going to get up here. I'm going to make sure that everything is okay. Was I too loud or am I okay? Good, wonderful. Thank you. It's amazing, Matt Ricardo. Jaime taught me everything I know. Here we go. We're going to get up here. Got everything. Oh, yep, nice thing over here. Jason, you just relax where you are. You're doing perfect. Don't push down. The whole thing collapses, okay? Here you go. Go up here very quickly. Now, guys, I'm going to attempt to do the most amount of acrobatics that I can do in the shortest period of time. Guys over here, especially you two, can you just come forward up to the yellow line yet? I just need to make an effective human barrier because otherwise little kids, they have little hands and little feet and they run onto the stage and they steal all my stuff. So if you see one, just... Here we go. I'm going to do the most amount of acrobatics. that balloon, I will do a handstand at this height and a one-handed balance another meter higher. Now, David. Jason, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. It's really hard up here, yeah? All you white guys look the same. It's a joke, it's a joke. I think in this day and age we do live in a mature enough society to have fun with ourselves and each other, but with no malice or hate. Clap if you agree. Awesome. The point of my comedy today is we make gross generalizations about each other every day. As long as we treat each other with respect, empathy, we get to have an awesome time like we are right now. Now, Jason, grab onto the very base of the pole. Yep, both hands, mate. Yep, just like at home. Perfect. Shut up, room, do the trick. Step all the way up to the debris of the other balloon in your own time. Perfect. Okay. One more big step out that way. Okay, great. Have you had anything to drink today, Jason? Okay, cool. 2 big steps forward. Lean the balloon directly in front of me. I am here. Move it a little bit further away. We'll go on that angle. That's great. Yeah, a little bit further. Okay, a little bit further. Stop right there. Here we go. When the balloon pops, everyone go crazy for Jason. Now, there's no tricks. There's no wire or anything in this web. It's just the sonic boom that is going to pop this balloon at some point. Jason, stop moving the balloon, mate. But if any of you want to sit down, this trick can take 25 to 30 minutes. Just... Everyone, give it up for Jason! Hey, you're amazing! Jason, go over to the corner of my box. Ooh. Wait, shut up. Right there, come on, make it loud. Whew. Terrifying. Trick number 3.